Hello folks, today I'm going to show you how this thing works. Very easy and very effective. Okay, so the package included two different type of roller brush. Okay, so this one is more for like carpet kind of deal, and this is for hard surface like tiles or wood floor. So I have tile and wood floor, so I'm not going to use this. Okay, the thing that I love about it is that I don't have to use my vacuum cleaner and then mop the floor. So that's kind of like, you know, two separate devices that I have to use to clean my floor. But with this one I don't have to, because it can clean, it can vacuum all the dirt and clean the floor with water or any solution that you want to put in. So here is the tank where you fill up your water. Right now it's kind of like empty. It's currently being charged right now, so there's full battery. Okay, and here's the front is the tank. When you're done, you can clip this off, and there's a filter in here, and then you can dump the water out. This is the dirty tank after you vacuum the floor and mop the floor. Anyways, push this in. There you go. You gotta hear the click right here. Alright, it's very easy to use. It has voice assistant, which I don't really like. That's the only thing. It's kind of like annoying. Maybe, you know, you used it before and you know how to use it. You don't need the voice assistant. It has two options. So when you turn it on, here's the power. Turn it on. There's an eco. Is if you have a light dirty floor like mine right now, you can just use eco. But if you have something like sticky on the floor, stuff like that, then use the max. Okay, so eco and max. And here's the power button, and here is the clip. Right underneath here is when you want to disperse the water, so it's mop your floor for you. Okay, alright, so what I'm gonna do is, because my floor is kind of like dirty right now, I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna fill the water up. I'm not gonna put any solution in here, so just basic, you know, water, vacuum, and mop the floor. I will be right back with the water. Alright, so I have some water in here, just warm water. Let me show you one more thing. If you want to turn the voice off, you can hit this button right here, the speaker icon. And there's another button up here is for self-cleaning. Make sure that you have some water in here, and then you put it back into the station, and then you hit this button. That's when it's gonna start, you know, self-cleaning. It's really works. It's make it clean so it's ready for the next time. But one thing that you gotta remember, after you clean the machine run itself, take this out, dump the dirty water out, or else it's just gonna get that odor, smell, and it's don't smell really good the next time that you mop the floor. Okay, so I made that mistake. So now after the machine clean itself, just dump the water out, keep everything dry and clean. Alright, so let's get right into action. Very easy to use. There you go.
Started. Eco mode.
Okay, so it's vacuuming. See that? Right? Easy. Right? There you go. Right now it's a vacuum. Alright, so let's clean it now. Okay, there you go. This is some
floor. Powering off. Powered off. Please place on the docking station. Voice off.
Okay, so I just turn the voice off. So now look at my floor. No streaks. No water left over. Clean. Alright. Very easy to use. I don't have to use the vacuum. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to put it back into the docking station. Okay. And then we're going to start self-cleaning. And watch this. Alright, you can clean it as many times as you want. Make sure that you have some water in here. So let's check out the water. See all the dirt in there? See that? A whole bunch of stuff in there, including my wife's hair. Very, very dirty at the bottom right there. Sucks everything up. Make sure that you dump the water out. Okay? Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope this video is informative, and hope that you can make the right decisions. I love my machine. So I don't have to, swapping in and out my vacuum and then my mop. It does a whole 9 yards for me. Alright.